Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to IG Garage. Have you been hit with a P0402 code and wondering what's causing it? Exhaust gas recirculation, EGR. Problems can be tricky, but I've got you covered. Today we'll decode the P0402 error, locate the EGR valve and its related components, and help you fix this issue step by step. Stick around because at the end, I'll suggest 2 essential videos to level up your car repair game. Let's break it down. What does the P0402 code mean? This code indicates excessive EGR flow. The EGR system is designed to reduce emissions by recirculating a portion of exhaust gases back into the engine. However, if too much gas is recirculated, it can disrupt combustion and trigger this code. Now let's talk about the location. The EGR valve is typically found on or near the intake manifold. It's connected to the exhaust manifold via a pipe or passage. On most vehicles, you'll find it near the top of the engine, often on the passenger side. Look for a round, metallic component with an electrical connector or vacuum line attached. Common causes of P0402 include a stuck-open EGR valve, carbon buildup in the EGR system, faulty EGR solenoid or position sensor, problems in the EGR control circuit. How to troubleshoot and fix it. Start by inspecting the EGR valve. Remove it and check for carbon deposits that could be causing it to stick open. Clean it using a throttle body or carburetor cleaner. Test the EGR position sensor using a multimeter to ensure it's functioning properly. Check the EGR solenoid and vacuum lines for cracks or disconnections. If the EGR valve is electronic, ensure the electrical connector is secure and free from corrosion. Clearing out the carbon deposits and ensuring all connections are intact should resolve the issue in most cases. And there you have it. Fixing the P0402 code doesn't have to be overwhelming. If this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe to IG Garage for more detailed car repair guides. Also, don't forget to check out these related videos. P0546, Exhaust Gas Temperature Sensor Circuit High. P0488, Exhaust Gas Recirculation Throttle Control Circuit. Links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.